Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're diving into something that's got the potential to totally change how you clean your floors. The Bissell CrossWave Turbo Vacuum Mop all-in-one wet and dry vac combo, model 3888A. Now, I know the idea of combining vacuuming and mopping sounds intriguing, but does it actually live up to the promise? Well, let's take a closer look. At its core, the Bissell CrossWave Turbo is a versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle multiple surfaces without the need for separate mops or vacuums. Whether you're dealing with tile, sealed wood, laminate, or even area rugs, this vacuum mop combo promises to handle it all. What makes it stand out is its ability to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously, cutting down on cleaning time. This is all made possible by Bissell's innovative two-tank technology, which keeps the clean water and formula separate from the dirty water, preventing the spread of grime across your floors. Let's talk about how powerful this thing really is. With the CrossWave Turbo, you're getting a multi-surface cleaning solution that actually works better than a traditional sponge mop and bucket. The suction power is solid, especially for a device that handles both dry debris and wet messes. It pulls up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even liquid spills, all in one pass. That's something a traditional mop just can't do. And with its antimicrobial treated Fresh Start filter, it also fights odors, ensuring your home smells as fresh as it looks. In real-world use, I found the CrossWave Turbo to be easy to set up. No complex assembly needed, and you're good to go in a few minutes. Whether you're mopping up a spilled glass of wine on the kitchen floor or cleaning up pet hair on the living room rug, this machine performs admirably. It's particularly effective on hard floors, where it tackles everything from crumbs to dirt, all while wetting and drying the surface in one smooth motion. But let's not sugarcoat everything. This is a relatively heavy machine, especially if you're used to lightweight stick vacuums. At just under 11 pounds, it may be a bit cumbersome for those with arthritis or mobility challenges. Plus, the cord length might be a deal breaker for larger spaces. You might find yourself needing to plug it in multiple times across a room. The noise level is another factor worth considering. It's louder than your average stick vacuum, which may be a little annoying if you're trying to clean while the family's watching TV. On the plus side, the cleaning performance is impressive on most surfaces. And the two-in-one convenience is a game changer for those who don't want to drag around both a mop and a vacuum. When it comes to maintenance, the CrossWave Turbo is relatively easy to clean. The filter is antimicrobial, and you can quickly rinse it out after use. The brush rolls are also designed to be easily cleaned, so you won't have to worry about long hair or pet fur causing clogs. The two-tank system helps keep things neat too, meaning you don't have to deal with the mess of dirty water mixing with clean water. In terms of value for money, it really depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for something that combines mopping and vacuuming capabilities, it's tough to beat the convenience the CrossWave Turbo provides. It's more expensive than a basic vacuum or mop, but the ability to do both jobs at once may justify the price, especially for those with busy homes, pets, or allergies. For a bit of context, if you're debating whether this model is right for you, you might also be looking at alternatives like the Shark Vac Mop, which also offers a similar wet and dry cleaning experience, but tends to be a little more compact. The CrossWave, however, handles larger messes with a bit more ease, thanks to its stronger suction and ability to clean larger areas faster. Build quality is solid overall. Though it's mostly plastic, the materials feel durable enough for regular use. The tank and brush assembly are sturdy, and while the motor isn't overly loud, it is a bit on the bulkier side. It's clear that Bissell has aimed for convenience and performance, but if you're someone who has limited storage space, this unit might take up a bit more room than you'd like. Now, as far as customer support goes, Bissell has generally been reliable in terms of warranties and after-sales service. I've read several positive reviews from users who've had no issue with the company's responsiveness when dealing with replacements or troubleshooting. Bissell's reputation for helping customers with pet-related products, in particular, is something that many owners appreciate. If we're talking longevity, the CrossWave Turbo holds up well. But, like any vacuum mop, it will need regular maintenance to keep things running smoothly. The brushes can get gunked up with hair and dirt, so periodic cleaning is key. For the most part, the motor should last quite a while, but if you're using it heavily every day, you may need to replace certain parts sooner. In conclusion, the Bissell CrossWave Turbo is a great choice for anyone who wants to cut down on cleaning time without sacrificing quality. It's perfect for homes with a mix of hard floors and area rugs, especially if you're looking to tackle pet hair and liquid spills with ease. The 2-in-1 design might not be for everyone, especially those who prefer a lighter, quieter vacuum. But if you need a versatile, powerful cleaning tool, the CrossWave Turbo certainly delivers. If you're a busy pet owner, someone with allergies, or just want to simplify your cleaning routine, this could be your new go-to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the comments box for the product link and let us know your thoughts or questions down below. We'd love to hear if you've tried the CrossWave Turbo or have any other cleaning tips you swear by. Until next time, this is Reviewsinsidetv, making your cleaning routine easier, one review at a time.